I'm Charlene Israel.
And I'm Ephraim Graham. The city of Detroit is defending its right to file for bankruptcy in federal court today. Lawyers for the city are seeking to block a series of lawsuits so the city can slash its crippling debts. But former city employees say they're owed pensions, and they claim the bankruptcy filing violates the state's constitution. It's a battle that will determine whether the city of Detroit is obligated to its past or if it can start fresh and have a chance at a future. At the heart of the issue, pensions. Detroit promised the benefits to thousands of retirees, but the money to pay up isn't there. Bill Frezza from the Competitive Enterprise Institute says pension reform is a necessity if Detroit is going to recover.
It's going to be painful for a lot of people, but continuing to kick the can and deny reality can only lead Detroit towards what we're seeing in Greece.
But city workers, retirees, and pensioners are suing. They claim filing for bankruptcy violates the state constitution, which guarantees pension benefits will be paid in full. Last week, a Michigan Circuit Court judge sided with the pensioners.
There's been a violation of the Constitution. I don't think the Constitution should be made to be Swiss cheese. Once we erode it with one hole, there will be others.
Now the federal court is weighing in. U.S. bankruptcy judge Stephen Rhodes will consider Detroit's request to put on hold all lawsuits filed against the city before it filed for bankruptcy. The legal question at the heart of Detroit's bankruptcy filing has never been answered in the nation's high courts. But this case could be crucial, considering how many other cities are heading in the same direction. Frezza says for many of those cities, it's already too late.
If you look at the dollars in the operating budget that are going to legacy costs in so many of these cities, there's no way to turn them around. And so they might be able to slow things down, but there's got to be a reckoning, and both municipal bondholders and pensioners have to take a haircut.
For now, all eyes are on Detroit, as it's decided just how far the U.S. Bankruptcy Code goes and whether it trumps state law. Now, Detroit is about $18 billion in debt and has a pension shortfall of $3.5 billion.